Today we're going to show you how to make the perfect deep fried turkey. Tiago's tips. First we have to work on the brine. 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of salt, and heat it up in some water. Then you add it to the turkey. We put our turkey in the cooler. We added the brine, then some ice. Then we let it rest for a day. Now we're ready to cook the turkey. But first we have to let it air dry. Then we turn on the burners. Then we want to fill the oil up to the line. Make sure to be careful here. We used peanut oil to fry these turkeys. We want to make sure to get the temperature to about 300 before we put the turkey in. Then we want to keep it about 275 for about an hour. Just remember to make sure to put it in very slowly. These turkeys are about 14 pounds. As you could see, the temperature is about 275. And after about 40 minutes, we check the turkey. And after about 1 hour, it's done. Now you've got 2 good brown, crispy turkeys. Now we break it up into pieces, and then we bring it to the table. And now everybody could enjoy. Happy Thanksgiving! Make sure to click the subscribe button.